Please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below.
Now I'll tell you how to multiply two brackets, x plus 5 for example and x minus 3. Now how to multiply these two brackets together. We have learned so far how to multiply the constant with the bracket, but now we have two brackets together. So how to expand this? So to do it, what I need to do, I'll take for actually what happens when two brackets are multiplying, it means this x will multiply with this x first and this x will multiply with this minus 3, and then this 5 will multiply with x and then this 5 will multiply with minus 3. So in the beginning what you need to do, you will write x, this first value from the bracket, and copy the second bracket along it, and then you write plus 5, the second value from the first bracket, and copy the second bracket again. I tell you again, first variable you need to write from the first bracket and copy the second bracket as it is, then plus 5 and copy the second bracket as it is. Now what will happen, you can easily multiply this x with this whole term and 5 with this whole term, and once you get acquainted with it, you have some practice, then you can do directly also. You can skip this step on which I made star. So now I'll start multiplying x into x. You know these are two, this power 1, this power 1, so x power 2. I told you when we multiply, the power adds, the power add with the another power, and this x remains same. Then we have minus sign, so I'll write minus because before x there is a plus, so plus minus minus. 3 into x will give me 3x. Then we have plus sign here, so plus into plus is plus and 5x will come here, and then 5 into 3 is 15, but plus minus, first we'll multiply the sign, plus minus minus and 15. Now we have x square, 5x minus 3x will give us 2x and minus 15. So this is our answer. So this is how we can expand or multiply two brackets. Now I'll show you one more example. If we have, for example, x plus 2 and in another bracket we have 3 terms, x square minus 2x plus 3 for example. Now how to multiply this? Same procedure you need to follow. You will multiply this x with x square with minus 2x and this 3. So same procedure we'll follow. We'll write x and copy the whole bracket as it is. Then we'll write plus 2 and copy the whole bracket as it is. Now I'll multiply x with x squared, so this is 1 and this is 2, so it will become x3. Then we have minus 2x will multiply with x, it will give us 2x squared because we have 2x. Then x power 1 and x power 1 will make 2, x power 2. Then x into 3 gives us 3x. Then we have plus 2 into x squared give us 2x squared because 2 and x cannot make a new number. Then plus minus minus 4x and plus 6. So finally we have this expression. Now we will cancel minus 2x square and plus 2x square and simplify the other expressions. So now we have x cube left here. We have 3x and minus 4x. So 4 minus 3 is 1, but since it's negative 4 and bigger number, so we'll write minus x here, minus 1x or minus x is same, and plus 6. So this is the answer. This is how we can multiply two brackets with two terms, or if we have two brackets and one bracket with two terms, or another we have 3 terms, and we can multiply it easily. Now I'll give you last example to cover this whole topic. If we have, for example, 3r and 4 minus 2p plus 2p 8 minus r. Now in this question we have two different variables multiplying, so I'll tell you also how to multiply these. Now first I'll multiply 3r by 4, so it will give me 3 4s are 12 and r will copy as it is. Then we have minus sign, and then 3 2s are 6, and this r will multiply with p, so it will become pr. Since p and r cannot multiply with each other, unlike variable cannot multiply, so we write it together, pr. And then we have plus sign, and then the 2 8s are 16 and p, and then plus minus minus and 2 and p will multiply with r, so it will become pr. I recommend you to always write the variable in correct order, like you can use the alphabetic order, like first come p and then comes r, so I have written pr. Because sometimes what happens, students sometimes write pr and then the next bracket they write rp here, so they cannot add and subtract. They think that these are two different things. So make sure to do not do this type of mistake. Now this is 12r, we can copy it as it is, we cannot add subtract with any other. But here you can see that this number and this number, pr and pr, this is pr and this is also pr, so same variables here, so we can add subtract. So minus 6 and minus 2 will make minus 8 pr and plus 16p. So this is the answer. So this is how we can solve. Now I'll show you how to multiply three brackets. So we have a question, x minus 3, x plus 5 and 2x minus 3. First we will multiply these two brackets and then we'll multiply the third bracket. So same procedure we will follow. I'll write x and then copy the second bracket as it is. Then I'll write minus 3 from the first bracket here and copy the second bracket as it is. Now this is the multiplication of this portion and I'll copy the third bracket as it is. I'll be working only on this part first. So x multiplied by x give us x square and x multiplied by 5 give us 5x. Then minus 3 into x is minus 3x and minus 3 into 5 give us minus 15 and bracket close. Third bracket will go on as it is. Now we will first simplify this. You can see here 5x minus 3x can be simplified. X square and minus 15 is a individual term here, so we can write it as it is. So I'll be writing x square plus 5x minus 3x is 2x and minus 15 and then the third bracket as it is. So now these two brackets are simplified to this. Now we'll multiply this bracket with this. So it's up on you whether you want to multiply first, or you can write 2x minus 3 in the beginning and then this, and then because in multiply it's same thing whether you multiply the first with second or second bracket with first one. I'm multiplying this first bracket with the second one now, but I'm doing it directly. So you just learned that how to multiply directly also. First, this x square will multiply with this 2x. So x square into 2x give us 2x cube, because it's already x power 2 and here we have x and here we have x. So x2 and x1 makes x3. I told you when we multiply we add the powers. Make sure to follow this, and this 2 coefficient will remain as it is. So 2x cube and then this same x square will multiply with minus 3. So it will become plus minus minus and 3x square. Then we will multiply this 2x with this 2x, so plus 4x, and then this 2x with minus 3, so it will become minus plus minus minus, and 2 3 are 6x. Then we have this 15 left, so minus 15 into 2 gives us minus 30x. Remember, when I multiply 15 with 2, it multiplies, but x will remain as it is because it's a variable. Then finally we have this last step, minus 15 into minus 3 is minus minus plus, and 15 3 is 45. I want to tell you that often students, when especially multiplying this minus with minus, they don't change the sign, they write it minus, and when they multiply minus with this plus, even then they don't change the sign, they write plus. So this is very important, you need to be careful about it. Now we'll see if we can simplify it further. This is a 2x cube and we don't have any cube term, so I'll write 2x cube as it is. Then we have minus 3x square, and there is again no square term, so I'll copy it as it is. Then finally we have simplification here. This is 4x, this is minus 6x and minus 38. What should I do? 4x minus 6x I can do. So 6 minus 4 is 2, but since 6 is a bigger number, so the sign will be minus. So minus 2x I will get. Now if I subtract minus 30 from it, then minus 2 and minus 30x will become minus 32x. So I'll write here minus 32x, and this last term is 45, so plus 45. So this is the answer of it. If you have any problem, I'll show you this particular simplification separately so you understand it clearly. 4x minus 6x minus 30x. Now 4x minus 6x gives us minus 2x and minus 30x. So now if we simplify it, minus is plus, but the sign will be minus, so 32x. So see, this is how we got this 32. So this is how we can simplify any brackets, multiply 2 brackets, 3 brackets. And if you want to learn the basics of algebra, you can watch this video which is shown in the suggested video, or you can click on the description. There I have given the link of my basic concepts.
I hope this video was super helpful for you. So why don't you give me a like, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it till yet, and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.